Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here to share with you what I did with Amy Love's Valentine Heart Kit. Sorry, my mind just went blank. Yeah, she sent me as part of my Christmas box her kit, and I believe she still has a few left, and so I'm going to put in the description box, besides a link to her channel, a link to her exhibit shop, so you can take a look and see if she has any left. I know they came with 4 of these fabric hearts that she made, and I covered the front and the back with this beige lace fabric. And so I decided, though, instead of making a banner, because I don't have any room for a banner, I would keep them as individual hearts and send them out maybe as Valentines. And I wanted them to be non-traditional. I don't really celebrate Valentine's Day. So also I just don't use hardly any red, which is, normally what you think of for Valentine's. So I wanted them to be just a little bit different. So anyways, this is what I did. This is the first one, and they can be used as wall hangings, or, you can keep it down, just put it in a book, or, do whatever. But anyways, this one says capture life's moments, and I did some of the things. All 4 of them are going to have some similar or the same because of the kit. I did use this same lace on the front and back of all 4 of them. This was part of the kit too. This was a trim by the yard, and I cut them individually, the squares with the hearts in the middle. So they're on there. And then, let's see, what else did I do different or the same, I guess. I used one of these little doilies in the middle. But you'll see the differences as I show you the 4 different ones. This little piece of tulle was also in the kit, and I cut the pieces individually so I could put them on the bottom. This dangle was also in there, and I cut individual pieces from that. So those are from the kit. And let's see. And then my additions were, I used this small box pleated trim on all 4 of them to go around the edges. Let's see. Here's a lavender doily type of thing that I cut in half. I got that from Kim, Angel Dream Crafts. And let's see, on the 2, I made 2 lavender and 2 in like blue. And so on the lavender ones, I did put the same here, and you can see it on this one. But I did do a couple things different because I didn't want any of them to look exactly the same. So this is the same, this little heart applique. Some of those came in the kit. Also, it's an adorable little kit. I just loved it. I did add my own little piece of dangle just to add a little bit more at the bottom. And then for a change, I got into my box of wild orchid craft flowers and decided to add some paper flowers to it. I don't do it too often, but I do like to mix it up a little and use some of the paper flowers with my fabric pieces. And then on this one, I had these little pieces here that I put on there from my stash. I added these buttons, these heart buttons. Now underneath here is a little daisy wooden piece. I know I got those from Michael's, I think. And then I added these little rhinestone and resin flowers. Here, this was a doily. I cut the outside of it off so that it would look like flower petals. And that's all I did to this one. Oh, and the bling piece. I had to put bling on each one because, I mean, it's all about the bling, right? Okay, so here, the next one is a blue one. What I did, I guess I'll show you what I did differently. Excuse me. I had this blue trim in my stash, and I cut them out individually, these little pieces, to be able to put around underneath the doily. This one says, encourage your hopes, not your fears. Let's see, you see, this is the same, only I cut this piece out, this embroidered piece and of the hearts, and I put those on top for something different. Added these flowers. Here's some more just different wild orchid craft flowers, and then the rest of it's the same. So that's the next one. Oh, and this ribbon also came in the kit, so I used those as hangers. All right, here's the third one. This says live in the moment. And let's see, I used these metal, like, they're kind of like buttons, I guess. And I added these I added on both of them. And then I used different wild orchid craft flowers. Let's see, the rest of it is the same though. So they're at least each, you know, a little bit individual. And then the last one says the journey awakens the soul. And I used blue and some pinks on this one. This one has more lavender. This blue one has lavender. This one has pink. And then this lavender has creams and pinks. And this one has blue and pink. So see, they're all similar, but they're all different. And there's another bling piece. I used different heart appliques. These were in the kit also. And so that's it, I guess. I think that's it. And I love these little tiny roses. So anyways, that's my take on the kit. Oh, and then on the back, just to cover up, you know, where I had to add things, I added 2 little doilies, and they're all the same. So that's it. My little Valentine hearts, non-traditional Valentine hearts, I guess you could say. So if you'd like, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And as I said, a link to Amy's channel and her shop will be in the description box. Thank you so much, Amy, for this kit. I just loved it. It was fun to play with, and I can't wait to see what some of the other ladies that have bought the kit but haven't put up, you know, whatever they did with it. I want to see how different everybody's take on the kit was. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll be back again soon with another project share. Bye for now.